Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our General English class. How are you all? Hope all of you have studied well for your exams, and your exams must have gone very well, right? Now, let us revise what we have learned lastly and let us move ahead with our further studies. We started tenses. I have already explained you all the types of tenses with their different forms, formula, as well as the structure required to frame sentences. Yes, we started with present tense. We have completed some exercises also. Let us have a brief revision of what we learnt. Yes, present tenses refer to present times, that is now or the time of speaking or writing. It tells us about the general facts or the things that are always true and are expressed in present tense. So that is all about present tense. Fine. Now today we will be learning about how to frame negative sentences and questions in the present tense, that is simple present tense. How do we use it? Firstly, you should know that in present tense we use s or es. We have also learnt about first person, second person and third person pronoun, right? So all that stuff you need to learn, and then only you will be able to understand how to frame negative sentences and questions in simple present tense. Now look at the above image. In the negative form of the simple present tense, verb changes in the following way. Keeps. Now you can see that is keep plus s will give you keeps. We have added s or es to the verb, then we will use does, right? Does not keep. And if it is keep, we have not added s or es, then we will use do. Do not keep. Similarly, you have sees, you have s at the end, that is c plus s will give you sees. Fine. Then we will use does not see. And if we have only see, we do not have s or es, then it becomes do not see. Okay. For example, as it is given, Asha writes a story. Asha does not write a story. We use plastic bags. We do not use plastic bags. Nextly, you have how to frame questions. Okay. So, in order to frame questions, you should पिक अप द वर्ब सबसे पहले आपको ढूंढना पड़ेगा. वर्ब ढूंढ के उसमें देखना है आपने एस या ई एस लगाया है क्या. अगर एस या ई एस लगाया है तो हमारा क्वेश्चन वर्ड होगा डज, या एस और ई एस नहीं होगा तो हमारा क्वेश्चन वर्ड होगा डू. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फर्स्ट यू लुक एट द एग्जाम्पल, फिर मैंने चार्ट्स बनाए, मैं उसमें से भी समझाऊंगी. राइट. आशा राइट्स अ स्टोरी. सो हियर राइट्स इज द वर्ब action, that is writing action is taking place. So writes is the verb, it has s and es in it, right? So we will use does Asha write a story. We use plastic bags. Use, right, that is the verb, but it is not having s or es in it, so we will use do. Do we use plastic bags? At the end, question mark is compulsory. Lastly, you have the 3 daughters of Suleiman attend dance classes in the weekend. Here, attend is the verb, right? It is not having s or es in it. So, it becomes do the 3 daughters of Suleiman attend dance classes in the weekend? And at the end, you will put a question mark. So now these all things I will be explaining you in detail. Students, pay attention. Here is the chart which I have prepared in order to explain you. Firstly, it is said in present tense how to prepare a negative sentence. Negative का मतलब ही होता है कि हमें not add करना है, no add करना है. Whenever we use no or not, then it transforms into a negative sentence. पिक आउट द वर्ब इन द सेंटेंस. सबसे पहला काम हमको क्या करना है, सेंटेंस पढ़ना है और सेंटेंस में से हमको वर्ब निकालना है. ठीक है. पिक आउट द वर्ब इन द सेंटेंस. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कीप्स, तो कीप्स कैसे बना, कीप प्लस एस बना कीप्स, राइट. वी आर एडिंग एस और ई एस, तो जब भी एस और ई एस यूज़ होगा हमें हमेशा डज यूज़ करना है. डज नॉट कीप, फिर जो वर्ब होगी वो उसके ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में आ जाएगी, उसमें से एस और ई एस निकल जाएगा. और अगर कीप है तो उसमें तो एस और ई एस नहीं है, तो क्या करने का, वी विल यूज़ डू. सो डू नॉट कीप विल बी द नेगेटिव फॉर्म. ओके. सिमिलरली सीज, एस इज देयर, दैट्स वाई वी विल यूज़ does not see. And if only see is there, then we will use do. So do not see will be the negative part. Understood? So what is the change happening if there is s or es, our question word or our negative word, whenever we want to make or we want to add not, we have to use do or does. Does कब यूज़ होगा? जब s और es लगा होगा तब. और do कब यूज़ होगा? जब s और es नहीं होगा तब. For example, here I have written one example. Just pay attention to it, students. Aisha writes a story. Aisha writes a story. Here writes is the verb. It is having s in it, that is write plus s will give you writes. So we will use does. Why we are using does, students? Because we are having s in the verb. जब भी verb में s या es लगेगा हमें does use करना है. So does not write will be the negative. फिर does not write को लेके अपने को sentence बनाना है. So what will be the sentence? Aisha does not write a story will be your sentence. Similarly, we use plastic bags. Here the verb is use. It is not having s or es. S और es नहीं है तो हमें do use करना है और हमारा negative बनेगा do not use. तो क्या होगा? We do not use plastic bags. Okay, that will be the negative सेंटेंस. सो अंडरस्टूड स्टूडेंट्स, आपको क्या करना है? अगर पहले तो सबसे पहले वर्ब ढूंढनी है. वर्ब में एस और ई एस है तो हमें डज यूज़ करना है. एस और ई एस नहीं है तो हमें डू यूज़ करना है. तो देखो यहाँ पे मैंने पूरी डिटेल लिखी है. देखो ध्यान से देखो इमेज. So in order to prepare negative sentences, firstly pick out the verb in the given sentence. सबसे पहला काम हमें क्या करना है? verb pick out करनी है. Then have a look at the verb if s और es is added or not. फिर देखना है कि s और es add हुआ है या नहीं हुआ है. If s और es is added, then we will use does not plus verb. What we'll use? We'll use does plus not plus simple form of the verb. If s और es is नॉट एडेड, अगर एस और एस नहीं है वर्ब में तो हम क्या करेंगे? हम डू यूज़ करेंगे. डू प्लस नॉट प्लस वर्ब. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कैरीज, ई एस इज एडेड सो वी विल यूज डज एंड अवर नेगेटिव विल बिकम डज नॉट कैरी. सिमिलरली स्टडी, देर इज नो एस और ई एस, सो वॉट वी विल डू? वी विल यूज do and our negative will become do not study. So simple thing you need to understand, students, in order to make negative we have to pick out the verb, have a look in the verb. If s or es is added we will use does. If s or es is not added we will use do. Along with that we are making negative, so we have to add not with it. Okay, does not and do not will be the form. Now let's move ahead how to form questions in the present tense. How you will make questions, students? Here also first you will pick out the verb. सबसे पहला काम क्या करना होता है? verb. verb यानी action words. verb को pick out करने का, बराबर. verb को देखने का उसमें s और es है कि नहीं. That is the simple trick you need to do. First you will pick out the verb. You will see whether the verb is having s or it is having es. If it is having s or es we will use does as our question word. यहाँ पे भी सेम ही रूल है. अगर s और es है तो आपको क्या यूज़ करना है? does. So you will be using does as your question word. And if there is no s or es, so you will be using do as your question word. Okay? Example. Aisha writes a story. writes is the verb. verb को पकड़ा, verb को देखा. हमने क्या देखा? उसमें s लगा हुआ है. s is added. So what will we use? We will use does as our question word and it becomes does Aisha write a story? At the end you will be adding a question mark. Then the second example is we use plastic bags. Use is the verb. We do not have s or es added to it. So what we will use? We will use do as our question word and it becomes do we use plastic bags? At the end you will be adding question mark. So it is very simple. What is the thing you need to do? First you will find out the verb. You will have a look at the verb. If the verb is having s or it is having es, then you will be using does. If it is not having s or es, then you will be using do, and then you will frame the sentence with does or do and you will form a question and at the end you will make a question mark. Okay, that's a compulsion. Okay, so hope you understood this much, students. Fine. Negative and questions, you need to pick out the verb. Check out the verb. You have s or es. S or es is there, you need to use does. If no S or es is there, you need to use do. Understood? Now let's move ahead and go to the present perfect tense. What is the formula of present perfect tense? Has or have plus V3 form of the verb, right? Has is used for singular, have is used for plural. So you can read out what I have written, students, how to make negative sentences and questions in present perfect tense. To make a present perfect verb in the negative form, we insert not between has or have and the past participle of the verb. So what is it said? That whenever you want to frame a negative, first you will go to the sentence. For example, I have done my work. So you will be writing I have not done my work. Simple. Has eaten, has not eaten. Have eaten, have not eaten. Have bought, have not bought. Second example is he has joined the nature club. He has not joined the nature club. यहाँ पे हैज़ और जो हमारी वर्ब होती है उसके बीच में खाली नॉट लगाना है और कुछ भी नहीं करना है. इट इज़ वेरी ईजी. यू विल गो टू द सेंटेंस, यू विल फाइंड आउट हैज़ और हैव, and after that you will be adding not in between the verb and has or have. Fine. For example, last one, Ela has written 3 letters. Ela has not written 3 letters. So making a negative is very easy. What you are supposed to add and where you are supposed to add, that only you are supposed to remember. आपको सिर्फ इतना याद रखना है कि perfect tense में has और have आता है तो उन दोनों के बीच में हमें not डालना है. Has not, have not, और उसके बाद में आएगा अपना verb. तो वर्ब और हैज़ और हैव के बीच में क्या आता है स्टूडेंट्स? नॉट आता है. तो क्या बनता है? नेगेटिव बनता है. कौन सी टेंस का? प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस का. अंडरस्टूड? So students, all these rules are very important, all these things are very important. You need to learn them thoroughly, you need to remember them properly. Okay, unless and until you remember, learn them by heart, you will not be able to understand what to do and what not to do. Okay, now we'll move ahead to frame questions in the present perfect tense. Present perfect tense, you have, we use has or have as the question word and then frame the sentence. That is, we make a question by using has or have. तो question हम sentence में से देख के ही बनाएंगे. अगर sentence में has है तो has लगा के question बनाएंगे. अगर sentence में have है तो have लगा के question बनाएंगे. Okay? For example, Neeta has eaten a cake. Has Neeta eaten a cake? Ram has opened a new shop. Has Ram opened a new shop? I have worked hard on the project. Have you worked hard on the project? The structure to frame the question in the present perfect tense is has or have plus subject plus past participle of the verb plus remaining part of the sentence. So this structure you are supposed to learn very thoroughly. Understood? So students, I have explained you. You are supposed to learn now. Only then you will be able to form proper sentences, to change a particular sentence in other sentence. So ये आपको सब learn करना है students. It is very important. It is the base of grammar. So आप ये सारे rules learn करो. If you have any doubts, we'll be clearing in the Zoom class. Okay students, that's all for today. Do learn everything. Do keep your books up to date and learn everything by heart. That's all for today. See you all very soon.